If these are our stimuli, we need Jimmy to be able to label red, blue, and yellow, and triangle, circle, and square. Our element tact trial started with the question, what is it? As a scribbled color or white shape was present on a laptop screen. This is what that looked like for the color trials.
What is it?
Blue.
Nice job.
And this is what that looked like for the shape trials.
What is it?
Circle.
Nice job, buddy.
We did this with each of the colors and shapes that we would be using in our compound stimuli for the target skill. So basically we presented the colors singularly and then the shapes singularly. Now, to be able to tack those elements when they're presented within a compound stimuli, they probably need to be able to see or differentially respond to those different elements. So we'll go ahead and test that by having them match based on the elements. We weren't exactly sure which was the best way to teach matching, so we tested using both identity matching and non-identity matching, or what's been sometimes referred to as arbitrary matching. For identity matching, what this looked like is that we would present the comparison stimuli, and then we would present the sample stimulus and say match. If Jimmy matched correctly, that would suggest that he was attending to the color of the sample and comparison stimuli. And if he matched correctly within this arrangement, that would suggest that he was attending to the shape of the stimuli. And this is called identity matching because the sample and the correct response in the comparison stimuli are identical. This is what that looked like for the color trials.
Match. Nice matching, dude.
And this is what that looked like for the shape trials.
Match. Good job, you got it.
For arbitrary matching, we isolated the element within the comparison stimuli. So again, those are like our color scribbles or white shapes. And this is called arbitrary matching because the sample and the correct response in the comparison stimuli are not identical. But honestly, if he can't match, then he probably won't be able to tack the elements. So in retrospect, this is probably more like inclusion criteria, or it may be appropriate for more complex compound stimuli. So I'll show you later, for example, different pattern states. With those more complex compound stimuli, you might want to do a matching assessment to make sure that they're actually attending to the features, or that they can actually see the features that you're going to be talking about, or the different elements that you're going to be talking about. So maybe like the outline of the state, for example. This is what the trials look like for the arbitrary or non-identity matching for the color trials.
Match. You did it, dude.
And this is what that looked like for the shape trials.
Match. Nice job, you got it.